Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So a couple of weeks ago, I did an episode that was like a flower branch thing. I don't remember what I called it, but anyways, I put the wrong intro on that episode, and so I want to apologize for that. And today we're actually going to do the one I was talking about in that episode. So this one is the branch frame, and all you need is a wooden frame, a glue gun, and some branches from outside. So let's jump in. Let's do this. I think it's going to be awesome. I hope.
Let's drift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence.
All right, you guys. I saw on YouTube this chick. She made a headboard and she used tree branches. And I was like, dude, that's awesome. It looked so cool. So I thought I would do the same thing, but a little bit different. So I'm going to take a smaller frame. It's like, I don't know what size it is, but maybe like 11 by 14, you know, the next size up from that. So anyways, I'm going to turn it on its side and I'm going to take these branches. I went out there and I found some and then I cut them down to the length of the frame. Okay. So once you have that done, you can take the bark off yourself if you can, you know, but if not, you know, like this stuff is coming off pretty simple here, but I know there's going to be some that don't come off that easily. So I have this, I don't know what it is. I think it went in the fridge, but it was here when I moved in, but it's this big tub thing. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to fill that up with warm water and soak these branches and help get the bark off of there. And then we'll see how it looks. But then I was thinking I might do it again, but this time with a little bit of bleach, you know, to lighten up the color on the bark. I don't know. We'll have to see, you know, how it looks. And then just you wait, because I want to do something even more. And you know me, it's going to have to be sparkly. So we'll get to that. All right, so you saw that I had all the branches in the water, and I had those in there for probably like an hour, and the water was warm to hot. So then I started peeling the bark off by hand, and that was annoying, but it was working. But once the branch started to dry, it got harder to do. So I kept going with that for a while, and then I was like, you know what, let me see what else I can do. I got a potato peeler that I'm never going to use in my life. So I put that bad boy to work, and I was just in here peeling sticks. You know what I mean? I look like a nut because I had my windows open. But anyways, it worked. Okay? So if you have an old one or one that you're never going to use, it works. So then, and I didn't show you guys me doing that because you know, it was kind of dangerous, you know. So anyway, then I didn't have any Mod Podge, and I went to the Dollar Tree. They didn't have any. I went to the Dollar General. They didn't have any. I'm not going to Walmart. I hate going in there unless I absolutely have to. So I bought this tacky glue. I don't even remember where I got it. Either the Dollar Tree or the General Dollar, whatever. Anyways, it's the same thing, you know. It's just not as smooth. But it worked. So I covered the branch little by little in the tacky glue. And then I had this glitter hairspray that I got on clearance for $1.88. And so, and this stuff stinks to high heaven. Oh my goodness. So I took this outside and did it because that was just, man, it takes your breath away. I don't know how you put that on your hair. So anyways, I did that. And then here's because it's not all the way done. So here's the difference, okay? So here's the bottom. I don't know if you can see it all that great, but then here's, see it stops right about here. And then there's no more. So I have to finish that, but I think it looks nice. All right. Anyways, so I'll do some of this with you, but I can't do the hairspray part in here because it'll kill me. Not really, but you know what I mean. So, and I just have an old paintbrush that I got from the Dollar Tree because I know I can't, really reuse these after they have this sticky icky on here. And I try to give it, a healthy covering. Because even though that's supposed to be hairspray, I don't really know that it's going to stick great to wood. Kind of wish I had a bigger brush for this, but I don't. All right, that should be good. So I'm gonna run outside and spray this down. Okay, so I know you can't really tell, but I did spray it. So we just have to let it sit, and then we wait, I don't know, maybe an hour, and then it's good. So you're just gonna keep doing that to each one of these, and then we're gonna put them in that frame. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, I want to talk to you about elephants. Yeah, them big boys. So anyway, those tusks that they have, those are actually teeth. They're the incisors, and they just grow like that. They come in when the baby elephants are about 2 years old, and they grow until, like forever. Unless we're not going to talk about it. I don't like that shit. So anyways, another thing I thought was pretty cool was this. Did you know that they communicate through not only when they blow their trunk like a trumpet, but they also have body language and facial movements, but seismic vibrations. It's stuff we can't even hear as humans. I thought that was pretty cool. And then the one last thing I wanted to tell you about was, the myth, I guess, that they say an elephant never forgets. It's real. It's true. They never forget. And here's why. Because they are the biggest mammal on the planet, they have the biggest temporal lobe, so they can never just forget about it. Forget about it. Not gonna happen. Nope. They remember everything. It's kind of cool. So now all of our branches are glittered and ready to go. Some of them, it's just like so light that you can barely even see it. But anyways, it's on there, they're done. It's the best I could do. I feel like the branches that were pine did not show up as well. Like these dudes, I don't know what they are, but they're not pine, and I think you see it better. But anyway, so I have the frame and I spray painted it black, and I took the glass out. Now, this is wood. It was a wood frame, so if you want to leave it like that, you can. I'm just gonna flip it over here, so now we have the back. Okay, and I have the glue gun ready. So I just want, damn it, I knew that was gonna happen. Some of these are not quite long enough. So I'm gonna have to, I gotta think of something. All right, guys, I got it. So here's what I did. This was the backing for this frame. So I just cut a piece that'll go, see, just like that. And then I can attach the wood the branch where it needs to go, okay? Now, am I gonna leave it this brown color? No, I am not. I have, not much, but I have some of this metallic gloss finish, color shift, acrylic paint. It's black, but it has like, you can't really see it, but it's got like kind of a goldish tint, like a little shimmer to it. So once I get these on here, I'm gonna go back and paint this black, and I wanna do like brush strokes going up, you know, like the grass. I don't know what I'm talking about. We'll see. All right, so let's start to position our dudes where we want them. All right, he wants to go here, fine. So I'm gonna glue these all down to the top part first. Oops. You know what? Actually, that was a good move. I don't know if you can see or not, but I'm doing like a pretty healthy shot of glue here, and then I kind of come up from behind and push it in and up so that it holds better, you know? Because I really don't want one of these to come down like in the middle of the night and scare the shit out of me. Okay, everybody, this is dry and done. I took the little piece off that I had down here because I don't know, I didn't like it. I didn't like the way it looked. So anyways, here is the finished project. I know you can't see it all. Hold on, let me see if I can move this table. All right, anyway, so look, can you see it? And then you see how it like kind of just hangs? I like that, you know, it's different. So, that's it. Once I get it hung up, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, but I wanted to thank you for coming to the show today. I really enjoyed this episode. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I felt at one with nature. My daddy would be proud. So, anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, if you decide to do this project as well, I would love to see the results that you guys come up with. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Be safe out there.